Hi, I'm Nina. I'm here at MWC. Come and check out a demo for Mission Critical Enterprises.
Welcome to the Mission Critical Enterprises. All these segments of enterprises, they require communication that is secure, reliable, and predictable. In these examples, we have been taking the example from manufacturing, showing what 5G connectivity can do when it is enhanced with artificial intelligence. In this domain here, we have a small prototype factory which is running private 5G network empowered by the Nokia Kolibri all-in-one 5G indoor base station. In this environment, the production line is connected wirelessly over 5G to the private network. These machines are very complex environment. They contain sensors, data, and moving parts. So how should one interact with this kind of the machines? Simplest response is to start talking with them. So what we have done here in our demonstrations, we have implemented together with Cordis low-level understanding of the machine, enhanced that with artificial intelligence, such that one can communicate with this complex environment using natural language. For example, on Sunday evening, we had a small hiccup. We asked then the machine, what's wrong with you? The software started drilling down the problem and advised us to tune the timing parameter. But none of us would have understood this machine without the usage of the AI. Powerful example of the 5G connectivity enhanced with AI. None of us could have done this alone. For example, Nokia, we are the masters of the 5G connectivity. Cordis, our partner, has developed everything related to the artificial intelligence on this platform. And then KPN is Nokia customer who have done the service integrator. Paul, possibly you could come and explain how we are working together.
Yes, I think last year we started to work together in the private 5G market space. Our goal was to really have a good proposition and a good radio solution for manufacturing, healthcare, and for the logistics sector. And that's how our collaboration started. But we wanted to do also more. We wanted to showcase that we can develop the proposition, add more 5G technology to it. So that is why we also work together in a field lab in Eindhoven, where ASML is located, for instance. And we work on 5G LAN kind of propositions and other things. And that is also what this demo is about, showcasing that we can connect IT devices and OT devices together, and with partners that we can also make it accessible for humans, and that we can add intelligence to it so that it becomes easier to work with these systems. And that is, I think, the end goal from the customer, that it really has a benefit for the employees and for the efficiency of the company.
And this is how we work together. There's more material online. You are welcome to visit us in our joint field lab in Eindhoven, or just reach out that we can help you further.